how to write it. Okay, it is written below the line. Okay, all of it below the line as a circular U with the dot between the upper arms. Okay, so let me explain it to you. So start from here and the dot is here. Okay, that's how you write it when it is on its own. In the beginning it would look like this. It stays above the line, and if it's in the middle, it's like this, and if it is at the end, it's like this. So we can connect them. Okay, so let's try again. Noon, 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 it's noon, it's noon, it's noon. Okay, this is how we write it.